If you've recently updated to iOS 26, you might have noticed something. Your iPhone battery doesn't seem to last as long as it used to. Don't worry, you're not alone. Every time Apple releases a major update, new features often mean new background processes, and that can drain your battery faster. But the good news is, with just a few smart adjustments, you can dramatically extend your iPhone's battery life. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how. Let's start with something most people overlook, the new adaptive refresh rate feature. In iOS 26, Apple's liquid glass display can dynamically adjust the refresh rate from 10 Hz all the way to 120 Hz. It's buttery smooth, but it also eats battery. So if you want to save power, go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Promotion Control, and toggle it to Standard. You'll instantly notice slower scrolling, but your battery will thank you. It's one of the biggest hidden power drains in iOS 26. Next, let's talk about background app activity, which is sneakily draining your charge even when you're not using your phone. In iOS 26, some apps take advantage of Apple's new Smart Sync to refresh content in the background. That's great for real-time updates, but terrible for your battery. To fix it, open Settings, General, go Background App Refresh, and switch it off for every app that doesn't need it, especially social media, shopping, and news apps. You'll still get notifications, but your phone won't waste energy keeping apps alive behind the scenes. Now, here's a big one, location services. With iOS 26, Apple introduced precision tracking, which constantly pings GPS for exact positioning, even indoors. Unless you really need it, it's better to limit it. Head to Settings, Privacy, and Security, go Location Services, and for each app, change always to while using. And for apps like weather or maps, disable precise location unless it's absolutely necessary. This one step can add hours to your battery life every day. Another feature that's quietly using energy is live activities. Those dynamic widgets on your lock screen like sports scores timers or Uber rides look amazing, but they're constantly updating. Go to Settings, go Face ID and passcode, allow live activities when locked, and turn that off. Your phone will immediately use less power because it's not refreshing live data every few seconds. And if you're serious about saving battery, use low power mode strategically. In iOS 26, low power mode is much smarter. It doesn't just dim your screen. It also pauses background syncing and animation heavy effects. Instead of waiting until your battery is low, try keeping it on all the time when you know you'll be away from a charger for long hours. But here's something new in iOS 26 that most people don't know about, the battery health feature. Apple now lets you check exactly which apps are draining the most energy in real time. Open Settings, battery usage by app. You'll see a detailed breakdown. Delete or restrict the top offenders. If you notice any third-party app consuming too much energy, consider reinstalling it. It often resets the background processes that were causing the drain. Another simple but powerful tip, avoid charging your phone overnight. iOS 26 has a new optimized charging 2.0 that learns your sleep schedule. Plug it in too long, and it keeps your battery at 100% for hours, which wears it out over time. Instead, charge it to around 80%, unplug, and let it rest. Over a few months, you'll notice your battery health stays higher. Finally, if you want to go the extra mile, turn off visual effects like motion and transparency. They're beautiful, but energy hungry. Go to Settings, get Accessibility, go Motion, and toggle Reduce Motion. Then under Display and Text Size, turn off Reduce Transparency. Your iPhone will look slightly simpler, but run smoother and use less power. So to sum it all up, adjusting the refresh rate, limiting background activity, taming location services, disabling live updates, and being smart with low power mode can easily give you several extra hours of battery life every single day. iOS 26 may be powerful and feature rich, but with these tweaks, you can enjoy all that innovation without worrying about running out of charge halfway through your day. That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iOS 26 tricks and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.